I took this photo in Japan in a place called Nara Park. Out there, the deer just roam freely and they love getting their photo taken. I've done a few preliminary adjustments already. I'm just going to show you a quick before and after now. You can see just added some contrast and a quick tone curve. I'm just going to head into the adjustment brushes and selective tools. So over to the left there. And what I can do now is press plus and I can do the graduated filter, the square. What I'm going to do is drag it from the top down. We can see this feathering quite nicely. You can see the red overlay is just showing where the adjustment is going to appear. And what I'm going to do is head into the light now, add some exposure. I'm going to do quite a lot of this. And there we go. That's lovely. You can see it's adding a nice glow to the top there. I'm going to press tick now. And then I'm going to add another one down the bottom and just darken this foreground here. Head into light and add some contrast and decrease the exposure as well. You can see that's really sort of added a bit more dynamic to the image. We've got light coming from the top and darkening the bottom. I think the body of the deer is looking a bit grey and desaturated. So I'm going to go back to selective, this time adding a brush in on the fur in the middle of the image. And then I'm just going to add some color, head into the temperature and just increase that until it sort of matches the rest of his fur. And lastly, head over to the color channels. I'm just going to adjust the orange slider in the mixer and drag it to the left a bit more on the hue, just so that fur is a bit more golden and not so yellow. Okay, overall, I think that's pretty good. Just showing you a quick before and after now. On the before shot, you can see super flat, not much dynamic to the photo. And then the after image, we've got a really nice golden glow coming through and the colors are really nicely balanced through those small color adjustments.